Cause and effect in the GED. Cause and effect are found in two sections on the GED test, the RLA section and the social studies exam. First, let's clear up what the terms cause and effect means. Cause and effect is the relationship between two things when one thing is the cause which has an effect on something else. As a result, an effect is what follows a cause. An example of a cause is if you spend a week lounging around munching on food all day, the effect is that you gain a couple pounds. An effect answers the question of what happened. A cause answers the question of how or why did something happen. Read this short passage about climate change. Global warming is largely due to carbon emissions from burning fossil fuels like oil for transportation, like cars, and industry like factories that heat up the atmosphere. On the test, you'll be asked to infer or assume or lift from the text the cause and effect relationship in the passage you just read. In this case, the effect is global warming, and it is caused by the burning of fossil fuels. Cause and effect are parts of everyday life. Learn more about cause and effect and other parts of the GED exam at mypybd.com on our e-learning platform. Located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.